In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your following list on Facebook, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. Click on your profile picture after logging into Facebook. Now click on the bar here. Now you want to click on the three dots here. Now click on View As. Now you can see I can still view my following list. How can I hide this following list? Just click on the arrow back button. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the home screen. Now refresh it. Now click on your profile picture. Then scroll down. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings. Now just scroll down. Continue scrolling down. Just scroll down. Easy peasy. Now click on Followers and Public Content. Now here you'll see various options. Who can follow me? Who can see your followers on your timeline? Who can see the people, the pages and lists you follow? Now you can see here it's set to public. Who can see the people, pages and lists you follow? Now click on the arrow there. Now there are various options here: public, friends, friends except me, specific friends, and only me. Click on only me. Now click on save. Then click on the arrow back button. Click on the home screen once again. Now click on your profile picture. Click on the bar there once again. Now click on the three dots. Now click on Viewers. Now you can see I've been able to hide my following list. You can see now I have 0 following. But in real sense, I have people that I'm actually following. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.